Hi friends, welcome back to Karah's Beauty Bar. Today we are gonna be checking out some Ipsy. Okay, so I jumped on the bandwagon and I ordered some Ipsy. So if you don't know what Ipsy is a monthly beauty makeup service that sends you a new package every month. I did get 2 packages and then I stopped my subscription only because I didn't have time to actually go through the package and try all the things. So today we are trying all the things, or really unboxing all the things. I did, however, try the eyeliner that's in here. I did kind of peek a little bit and I used it already. So I will tell you about the eyeliner when we get there, but I did want to fully unbox and fully see what's in here. If there's something that I can try now, I will try it now. And if you do want a separate video of me actually trying all the different products, I can do that as well. Just let me know down below in the comments which products you'd like me to try and I'll try them. So let's get started. Okay, so I did get 2 different boxes and one of the boxes did have an extra thing called refreshments. So we're gonna just unbox it all, but one of the boxes came with, so it comes with a cute little bag for each. So this bag came in. Now this bag, I will say, is not a bag that's as reusable as like something like this. It is cute. It is made of plastic. I think it's recyclable plastic. I'm not sure. This logo might be saying what this is, but it is cute and it holds stuff. So yeah, and then the other bag is this one, which is more of like a fabric bag. So not quite the bags that I would use for normal holding of stuff, but they're cute. Don't know what I'll use them for. And then we also got this refreshment box. So let's start with that. So this actually has a shaving kit. So I didn't need razors. So that's why I got this. So the first thing is, so it does come with a bunch of packs of the razors themselves. And then we have the actual razor. So the cool thing about this actually is, so obviously you put the thing on, but it comes with this magnet thing that goes like this, and you can stick it on the shower wall. How cool is that? Sorry, I'm just very fascinated that this is a thing. And I'm definitely gonna be doing that because all my razors kind of get like shoved in the thing and then they get dirty. I don't know, it's just weird. But yeah, okay. So that really excited me for no reason whatsoever other than that excites me. So that I'm looking forward to try. I have been trying Harry's. It's technically a male's like shaving club that you can join, but the razor is so good. Like it's so flexible and amazing. So I have been trying that. I do like it. This happened to be like a really cheap gift with this, so I ended up getting it. I do like the fact that it can go on this shower wall. These do not look as flexible as the Harry's one, so I'll see what I like better. I'm probably gonna like the Harry's better, but this might be more convenient. So, yeah. Okay, so the next thing we've got is this Luscious Hand Cream. Jasmine Sunrise. So that's interesting because if you see my spring haul, my spring Mary Kay unboxing, there is a Island Mist and Jasmine hand cream, this one. So I'm wondering how similar they smell. Let's see. That's very weird. I don't know if I like the smell of jasmine. Oh, okay. So if you like, so I like more fruity floral scents. This is more of like, I don't know, what does jasmine smell like? It's not musky, but it's definitely like a darker, deeper scent, which I'm not a huge fan of. Like, it smells like an old lady's house. to me. You know what I mean? Jasmine smells like something like an old lady would wear. But I tend to like more of the fruity, like spring kind of. This is more like it's not spring. It's more like low-key spring, if that makes sense. Nourishes skin, nails, and cuticles. Quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. Kind to skin. I don't know what kind of skin means. Star ingredients: shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Those are great ingredients. Always vegan and free of parabens. Formulated without gluten and nut allergies. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. So, it's growing on me. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if I like it or not. It definitely feels good. It's not greasy and it absorbs pretty quickly, so I do like that. I do feel like I need a lot of it in order to really moisturize. That's the only thing, is that I feel like it's quickly absorbing, like too quickly, and I can't really get it all over my hands before it's done. So that is my main gripe with this and the smell. Moving on, let's see what else is in here. All right, so the next thing, I'm actually kind of excited to try this. This is Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts, all skin types, liquid exfoliate. So this is a triple acid resurfacing treatment. So basically a chemical peel. So how to use: PM only, so that's good. After cleansing, saturate a cotton round and gently apply all over face, neck, and décolleté. Follow with your usual nightly routine. So it doesn't actually say to wipe it off. That's interesting. This is saying triple acid resurfacing treatment. However, you don't need, it's not like a chemical peel where you need to wipe it off. So this is more like Mary Kay's PHA resurfacer, which if it does what that does, then this is gonna be a really good product. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's interesting that it doesn't give you a dropper. That would probably be the easiest, but interested to figure out what this does. So basically what this product is alluding to is that it's going to basically break down dead skin cells and give you smoother, more radiant skin. Let's see what else we have. Dewy Skin. This is a vitamin C glass glow primer. So vitamin C, brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, dewy glass-like finish, antioxidant vitamin E. So vitamin E and vitamin C are really, really good ingredients to use. I'm a little concerned about the hyaluronic acid because I do have a sensitivity to hyaluronic acid. It's like the one and only ingredient for some reason that my skin is sensitive to. So we'll see how that goes. This is a primer. Is it like a foundation primer? I'm gonna have to use it in my next makeup video. So when I do that video with this, I will link that down in the description, if I remember. No promises, guys. Okay, so next thing is Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask, pH balanced. It's pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and clarifying, and it's fragrance free. Interesting. So one thing I will say about fragrance free is that fragrance free means there's no additional additives to make it smell like something. So whenever you smell something that says fragrance free, if you don't smell anything, it's probably not fragrance free, first of all. But if you do smell something, it's actually just the smell of the ingredients. So when you smell something that says fragrance free and it has a high smell of some kind of chemical smell, it's just the chemicals, it's just the ingredients. So you know, don't be like, this says fragrance free and it actually smells like something. That's because you're smelling the ingredients, honey. This is basically a clay mask. It's kind of like a charcoal mask. I'm interested to see, so it says pore refining, smoothing, firming. So this isn't like a clay mask where it unclogs pores, but it does help with smoothing and firming, tightening. So this is almost kind of like Mary Kay's soothing gel mask. Maybe it'll mix a little bit with the pink clay mask. So I'm kind of curious to see how this one works. So yeah, and it looks like a mud mask. It looks like mud. So yeah, we'll test this out and see what that does. All right, next thing is Foxy Biv, BVE, no fox given. I don't know the brand, so I don't know if that's funny or not. Insta Bay 3-minute hair mask. Oh, we've got a hair mask. 12-in-1 blend, sulfate and paraben free. Directions: after cleansing with shampoo, remove excess water and evenly apply to clean wet hair. Leave for 3 minutes, then rinse. For severely dry and damaged hair, apply before and after shampooing. Interesting. For oily hair, apply to mid-shaft and ends. Distribute evenly using a wide tooth comb. Rinse out completely. All right, so I don't actually know what this product does. It just says 3-minute hair mask, and then it tells you how to use it. It doesn't tell you what it's for. I'm assuming for damaged skin, but I don't know what the benefits are. So I'm assuming it hydrates damaged skin. Let's see. So it has water, cetyl alcohol, butyrosphagnum perky butter. So that is actually a form of shea butter. I cannot say actual names, sorry. I'm an esthetician, but I literally can't say any of those words. I'm sorry. It's just, it doesn't happen. But I know for a fact that is shea butter, which tells me, and it has Coco's Nucifera oil. So this is telling me that it is a hydrating mask because it's about not even a third down into the ingredients. And it has seed oil, a bunch of seed oils are in there. Yeah, so this is telling me that it is a hydrating mask. But for someone who doesn't know ingredients, they're not gonna know what this mask is. So, but yeah, so that is a hydrating mask for your hair. And then let's see what else is in here. Oh, the eyeliner. So this is Seraphine Botanicals Liquid Kohl Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. So when I was doing this look, I did pull this out because I wanted to test it out, and I did do the eyeliner. I will say it is nice and juicy, so like it comes out really easily and you can make the line really easily. A lot of liquid eyeliners that I have tried, you have to kind of stamp to get it out, and this one kind of glides pretty easily. However, it is not as precise as some other eyeliners that I have tried, and it got like all over a little bit. I do like Il Makiage's eyeliner a lot because it's super pointy, super flexible, and it's very precise. I'm not sure how much this one costs. It's not a ton better than like the Mary Kay one that I have, so I probably would just continue using the Mary Kay one, especially because I get a discount as a Mary Kay consultant. But I mean, this one's fine. It's just a normal everyday, and it glides really easily. But it was the first time using it, so I don't know how much you can use before it dries out. So that's another thing. So it was an okay eyeliner. It's just not as precise as I would like it to be. So that was my quick review on that eyeliner. The last item that's in here is this Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Ooh, let me try this. Okay. A yummy, glowy lip treatment made with a myriad of plant-based oils, vitamin E, and shea butter to create an irresistible, bouncy texture for your lips. I do like the fact that it has vitamin E and shea butters in it. This high shine tinted formula gives lips a juicy wash of color and is infused with delicious cranberry and raspberry extracts to help create a healthy look with a pout perfect finish. Dab onto lips for a luscious fruity scent. Ooh, fruity scent. So this is vegan, no parabens, no phthalates. I don't know how to say that word, guys. With castor seed, sunflower, and soybean oils, with shea butter and vitamin E, with cranberry and raspberry extracts. So I will say that this has the potential to be have a lot of people are allergic to it, especially because it has so many fruits and oils and nuts and tree nuts and stuff. So just be aware, because while these ingredients are very helpful with like moisturizing and stuff, some people are allergic to them. So let's try this out. So I am wearing a more neutral shade. Ooh, okay. That came out fast. I can smell the raspberry. I almost want to eat it. Okay, so it is definitely shiny. I can't really tell the color because I was already wearing color. And it looks exactly like that color, so it might be more clear. I'm not sure. Maybe if I had like my base color on, I could tell. It definitely is a little tint of red and it's definitely shiny, but I don't know if, I mean, this looks red from the thing and it's not really showing on here. So it could just because the lipstick I have on is throwing it off. But it's not sticky, which is good. I don't like sticky. I'm not a big fan of lip glosses because it feels like there's something on my lips. It does feel like there's something on my lips, which irks me. So I can also almost like taste it because it's so strong. If you do not like the smell of stuff, especially near your nose, like makeup and skincare and stuff like that, you're not gonna like this. If you really like strong scents, you might like this, especially raspberry and cranberry smells, like fruit smells. It's definitely strong. It doesn't smell super fruity, it just smells strong. So yeah, I think it's like more cranberry. So yeah, so that was my Ipsy haul, and that was exciting. I will definitely try some of these other products out in future videos. And if you would like to check out Ipsy for yourself, you can go down in the links below. I'll put a link to the Ipsy page for you to go check it out. And that's all I have for y'all today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for those future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.